Ino niyo mbica iria ikoretwo kuo muhaka-ini wa Kenya na bururi wa Uganda mwena wa Malaba, mihang'o kwa ihinda ikioneka gutharara na gucungiriria muhatikano wa ngari cia ukui wa mirigo uria uratamburukite uraihu wa kilomita 50. Ona gutuika ni gukoretwo na ngucanio ikonie ithimi cia murimu wa coronavirus, matereba magiteta gweterera maumirira kwa ihinda iraya. Thina uyu urerikana kwihiririo ni amwe a matereba aria riu matashukirio ikinya.
And we have told those people who are causing problems that you do not have to drive towards the border. If you feel you have grievances in terms of you entering Uganda, then don't leave your point of departure. Don't collect cargo in Mombasa, don't collect cargo in Nairobi, heading to the border only for you to go there and cause confusion.
Maafitha a thirikari kuuma mabũrũri maya meri ona kuhanũra ũguo riu ni magite na kuiguithaniria uria matereba marithimagwo aria marauma guku bũrũri-ini riu magibatarania guthimirwo mwena wa Mombasa.
What you have said before any truck driver leaves their point of departure, they must get the COVID-free certificate, the COVID-19 free certificate, 48 hours before commencement of the journey. With that, upon getting to the border, you don't have to wait. It will be an express way.
We've also had complaints from our truck drivers that testing that is being done at the border point by Ugandan authorities is painful, and that the necessary swabs that are being done is quite painful. We urge our truck drivers to do tests in Kenya. Once you have the certificate, you don't have to be subjected through that painful exercise that you are complaining about.
Ihinda-ini riu maafitha aria marutaga wira muhaka-ini ni mathitwo kuruta wira mathaa 24 niguo kunyihia muhatikano uyu uria riu urambiriirie gucungiriria uhaguku wa ugitiri.
The 4 trucks that have been blocking the entry into the Uganda side of the border have now been cleared, and clearances and movements of people, of trucks, have already started moving. We expect that exercise to take probably 4 to 5 days to clear. As that exercise is going, we have asked our colleagues, all the stakeholders at the port, at the border port of Malaba, to work 24 hours, whether it's immigration, port health, revenue authority, and our security colleagues, to make sure that this clearance starts now and we get this backlog behind.
Maya mokite o riri namba ya aruaru a murimu wa coronavirus ithiite nambere kuongerereka. Umuthi andu angi 62 magikirwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu na gukinyiria aruaru 1348 riri na andu angi atatu marekereirio gucoka mucii thutha wa kuhona.
The positives are spread in the counties as follows: Nairobi with 23, Mombasa with 16, Kwale 8, Kiambu 6, Kajiado 6, and Kitui 3.
No ona kuhanũra ũguo thirikari nĩ teterithitie bata wa aria mareyumiria guthimwo gukorwo makiheana riboti cia ma imegie niguo gukorwo makihota gukinyirika thutha wa maumirira mao kumenyeka.
And I want to reiterate that it is important to provide accurate information, because it is only through this that contact tracing is possible. Providing wrong information means that such individuals are continuing to spread the virus to their loved ones, their friends, and to the community.
Na kuona garama ya guthimwo na kurigitwo iri moko-ini ma thirikari, a Kenya ni moritio guthie na mbere kwiyumiria niguo kunyita itemi kuhurana na murimu uyu na njira ya mundu gutigirira ni athimo. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.